In this video, we are going to learn how you can use the complete Excel on a single golden shortkey, and that is alternate. Let's say that we want to color the complete cells. Let's say that we press Ctrl A. On the Home tab, we see this little bucket which is for filling the color. It fills the color like this, but we don't have mouse and we want to use this on shortcuts. Let me just spin the ribbon so that it doesn't disappear. So we have the data selection made, but do we know the shortkey of this fill color? No, we don't. So instead what we'll do is just select the data and then simply press alternate. What alternate will do is it will convert this menu and show the shortkeys below each menu automatically. So if you want to go to insert menu, just press N, page layout, press P, and we want to go here in the home menu. So press H. And then for each function, you have a little shortkey that appears right at the bottom. So it is pretty self-explanatory. We just press H, it opens the theme colors, and then let's keep the mouse aside. I just make the selection from my arrows, and whatever selection is made, let's say I want to make it green or blue like this. And after that, let's press enter. And that's how we do it. So when we try to do it for the first couple of times, you might be thinking that, okay, why do we need to do this? We can use it manually as well. Let's say if you want to clear the formats, sometimes it happens that you have the messed up data and messed up formats as well, and you want to clean the data formats first. So go to home and you can clean the formats directly from here. Click on clear, click on formats. But once we remember the shortkeys, it will save you a lot of time, especially if you remember the combination. Like I remember this, Alt HEF. So it always takes lesser time for the one who remembers the shortkeys. Let's do this again. Let's say I want to apply the filter, but I don't know the shortkey. So let's go to alternate. Let's press H. And for sort and filter, we press S here. So S, F. And now the filters are applied. If we remember the shortkeys now, alternate HSF. As you can see, we can smartly apply all the shortkeys in Excel just by using these shortkeys. So this is how the golden shortkeys in Excel is used. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.